we want to be clear that the legal fiction court system and banking are all connected together. They're all based on fiction. So we're talking about money when we talk about civil. We're talking about a civil case is based on monetary participation, getting some kind of monetary reward. So when we're talking in the direct understanding of the bank and the civil system and the courts, we want to remember that the bench, which is where the judge sits on, is called La Banca, which is the bank. So they're doing a collection and enforcement on debt. And that's what that court system is about. Now, coming into the court, of course, as we've said in previous videos, with a legal surname that means in law under nomen in the law dictionary, such as Black's Law Fourth, that states it means a debt or a debtor. It's a false name, a pseudonym, not a real name. It's only used for the purposes of commerce and make-believe because there is no debt in nature or truth. Therefore, it's required to operate in there. So why would they be recording the sessions in the court, recording what you say, getting a visual of the individual showing up? It's because they're looking for a surety, because there's no other way to verify a fiction without someone taking it on and showing up as the pretender who is responsible for the legal tender owed. There's no way a lie could operate without someone showing up and actually taking responsibility for the lie. So the inducement has been there from the beginning to actually have an innocent child without cause assume the title of a debtor's surname, which would indicate that there is no relief spiritually, as was promised when the prophecies of Christ arriving would cancel all debt, according to Colossians 2:13-15, canceling out all legal indebtedness that came upon man in the beginning. So we're in a system that we have to understand that, but we also would understand too why the first half of the Bible has so much to do with sacrifice and actually the use of monies. And then we start to realize in the New Testament with the execution of Christ, this eliminated that, and it basically canceled out all indebtedness and therefore brought people of God to liberty and true understanding of what Adam and Eve would have had they not sinned.